Good morning, Lucky Nation, and welcome to another beautiful day. Alright guys, this morning I am leaving Astoria, and I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Steve right on this picture right here. Big thank you for hosting me. What an amazing guy. If you guys are ever in Astoria, be sure to stay with him. Really rad person. Right now I have 44 miles to bike to my next destination. So let's hit the road, but before I want to show you the bridge one last time that I biked yesterday. So it starts here and it ends all the way over there. It's 4 to 5 miles long. That is a long bridge to bike right beside traffic. So had an amazing time here. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog yesterday of all this beautiful little town, and we will see you once I get to Nehalem State Park. Alright guys, we made it to nice little Cannon Beach town. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we made it to Cannon Beach, Oregon. It is beautiful. Actually, I just met another cyclist that is going to Mexico. Alright, little update for you guys. I am almost at Nehalem State Park. I've been biking on this beautiful road. It's all wavering around the mountains. It's so peaceful. And right now I'm heading down there. Boom! So I'm going to, at the bottom of this village over there, gonna go buy some food, go to the grocery store, take a shower, and set up my tent because I am camping tonight. No warm showers tonight. So let's hit the road and I'll see you guys once I get down there. Alright guys, I made it to my camping. It is right there, right with the deers. There's 3 of them right there. That is sleeping in nature. Alright. Alrighty, Lucky Nation, we made it to the campground. So I have my tent set up on this platform. I don't know why they put platforms, but it's sandy under there, so it's gonna be a little bit more soft. I'm gonna use my bike to ride into town. I have my coat there. I'm just in a little bit of a hurry because it is
4:45 and I don't know what time the grocery store closes, and when it's smaller towns and it's during the week, sometimes they close earlier. So I want to hurry up to go grab some food for tonight and buy a lighter, because all my matches, even though they say waterproof, are not waterproof. I'm gonna chuck all of them because I tried a good 40 to trying to start a fire earlier to cook some food and it wouldn't work. So I'm gonna go buy a lighter, buy some food, and then I'm gonna have a nice little Skype Thanksgiving dinner with my girlfriend. So I'll see you guys once we get to the grocery store. What's up, Lucky Nation? We are back in the tent. It is currently 7:50 p.m. I just went to the restaurant to have dinner with my girlfriend via Skype for Thanksgiving. And honestly, I just feel like shit. I feel tired. I feel depressed. Today was an awesome day. I went helicopter riding for the first time. It was a beautiful sunny day. But it just like tiredness just hit me today. And I'm just exhausted. Exhausted. Tomorrow it's gonna rain and I have 50 miles to do tomorrow. And again, like, I'm not a cyclist. I was not a cyclist before starting this. I just want to do something that would challenge myself, and this is hitting hard right now. I'm the only person in the campground, middle of the woods, pitch black. I'm just exhausted and I'm tired. So tomorrow night I booked an Airbnb so that I could have a warm place to like dry off and hang my clothes and everything, because if I'm going to be biking in the rain, there's no way I'm sleeping in a tent. That would be just too much for me. That put me over the edge. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed in the hopes that it's not too cold and that I get a good night of sleep. I've been averaging 10 to 12 hours of sleep a night just because of being exhausted. And hopefully tomorrow morning I feel a lot better, because I don't feel good tonight. I don't feel good. So guys, I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.